Hello everyone and welcome back. So, you want to cut the cord and save money on cable. Today we're comparing two popular streaming boxes, SuperBox and Octastream. Let's find out which one actually delivers. Both boxes are Android devices that come with apps for live TV and movies. They cost around $300 and promise no monthly fees. Sounds great, right? Well, let's dig deeper. SuperBox has been around for about 3 years. Their newest model is the S6 Max. It runs Android 12 and has decent specs. You get access to Blue TV for live channels and Blue VOD for movies. They claim over 1,500 channels. The good news? When it works well. The bad news? Many users report freezing and buffering issues. Customer support is hit or miss, and some people love it, others had their box stop working after just a few months. Octastream offers similar features. Their Elite Max model has 4 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. That's more storage than SuperBox. They also support Wi-Fi 6, which means faster internet speeds. Reviews are mixed here too. Some users love the channel selection, others complain about constant buffering and apps that suddenly stop working. The interface isn't as polished as SuperBox. Here's what you need to know. Both devices access content that might not be legal in your area. If the service goes down, your expensive box becomes useless. You can't get refunds easily. Tech experts warn that cheaper Android boxes like Fire Stick do the same thing for way less money. You're basically paying $300 for pre-installed apps you could get yourself. Bottom line, both SuperBox and Octastream have the same issues: buffering problems, questionable content sources, and poor customer support. And you might lose access at any time. If you want legal, reliable streaming, stick with Fire Stick, Roku, or Apple TV. They cost less and actually work long term. That's it for today, guys. Let me know what your experience is with these boxes in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.